Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send server-side events in Meta Conversion API. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to first of all prepare your Meta Event Manager. You need to go and tap open your Meta Event Manager. Now to set up your Meta Event Manager, you need to generate the access token. Navigate to the pixel setting and locate your conversion API section and generate a new access token. Once you have generated a new access token, you need to choose your implementation method as well. Simply choose your direct integration, server-side tag management system, example Google Tag Manager server-side or stuff like that, and you can use a third-party platform as well. Now at the end, collect your event data server side, like your server needs to capture relevant event data, example purchases, signups, page views as they occur. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.